wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. It's another special science episode.
Yay!
Science.
Science.
I love doing science.
Science.
I love doing science, especially with you. You know that, Olivia?
I love doing science with you.
You're really, really smart.
You're really, really smart too, Noah. You have so many answers to so many questions.
But I also have to say, our kids are very, very smart too.
That's you guys out there. You guys are very smart.
Exactly. So, today, we're going to teach you something new so you will be even smarter.
Yay! What are we going to learn today?
We are going to make crystals.
Crystals?
We're going to make our own crystals.
Wow.
Do you know what crystals are?
No. What's a crystal?
They are a special kind of solid material where the molecules fit together in a repeating pattern.
Ooh. Would that be like circle, square, circle, square?
Exactly. That is a repeating pattern.
Awesome.
This pattern causes the material to form all sorts of unique shapes.
Ooh.
Just like you kind of described right there.
Wow.
You know what the process of crystal forming is called?
No, I do not.
Crystallization.
Ooh, crystallization. That's a big word.
That is a big word.
Wow.
But why don't we write it down in the back there?
Okay.
You see it appears?
Mm-hmm.
Crystallization.
Crystallization.
And did you know that crystals can form in nature?
I did not.
So when liquids cool and start to harden, a crystal is formed.
Oh, wow.
Certain molecules in the liquid gather together as they attempt to become stable.
Ooh, stable. Like if something doesn't fall over, it's stable?
Exactly.
Oh, good.
They harden. They do this in uniform and repeating pattern that forms the crystal.
Ooh.
So, if something cools slowly, then crystals may form.
Oh.
And did you know that many valuable crystals such as diamonds and rubies and emeralds form this way?
I did not know that. See, Noah, you're so smart.
I try my best. And another way crystals form is when water evaporates from a mixture.
Noah.
What?
That's the kind of crystal we're making today.
Exactly, kids. Did you hear that?
Wow. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to take sodium tetraborate, which is also another big word,
That is a big word. Why don't you tell the kids what that means?
Okay, so sodium tetraborate is a mineral and a salt. A mineral is kind of like a rock. And it's ground up into a little powder like this. And inside here, there's invisible crystals.
Invisible crystals, but I can see them.
Nope, the white part is the salt. And the crystals are teeny tiny.
Oh, wow. Interesting.
Yeah. And then we're going to take and dissolve this into some hot water. And once we stir it all up, the crystals will be ready. And as the water cools, like you said, we'll have crystals.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. And guess what can make it even more fun?
What?
We're going to make them on shapes.
Shapes!
Yeah.
Oh, can I tell you one more thing?
Oh, please do.
You know that snowflakes are ice crystals that are formed high in the clouds when water freezes?
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So every winter we actually have crystals fall from the sky?
Exactly. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's really cool.
And did you know that they always have 6 sides or arms?
I didn't know that either.
And every one of them is unique, though.
Ooh.
Just like you and me and you kids.
Yay!
Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool. So let's show you what we have to use today. So we're going to also use a popsicle stick. We're going to have one to stir the fluid with and then another to put our shape on.
that's mine. I have mine too.
Yay!
And then-
what do we do this shape with?
We need a fizzy stick like this. I chose yellow.
I chose purple. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the fuzzy stick around the popsicle stick and then hang it in the test tube so the crystals can form on it. Ooh, what kind of shape do you think you'll make?
I think I'm going to make a ball.
Ooh, that's a really good one. I think I'm going to make a heart.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see that.
Me either. I'm so excited.
So, if the kids want to do this at home, what will they need?
They will need a thing of sodium tetraborate,
Then, some hot water,
hot water,
a test tube just like the one we have here,
a fuzzy pipe cleaner stick thing,
popsicle stick,
a popsicle stick,
and
that's it.
that's it.
That's it.
Well, why don't we get started?
All right, let's get started. I'm going to make my shape.
I'm going to make my shape
Me
too.
too.
I'm done.
I'm done too.
Do you want to see mine?
I do. Show me. Ooh, that's a very nice circular ball.
That's my ball.
That's great. You want to see mine?
Yes.
There's mine.
Whoa, that's really nice heart. That's just like, that's your heart.
Thank you. Yeah, oh, right there in my chest.
Yeah.
Heart, heart. That's because I love you kids out there.
Aw, that's so nice of you to say.
I love you too, Noah.
I love you too. I love you.
Okay. Love you. Shall we start?
Oh yeah, okay, let's start. So I'm gonna get the hot water while you mix in the salt, whatever.
The sodium tetraborate.
Oh yeah.
Salt crystals.
Salt crystals. I wanted to say salt crystals, but
Salt crystals is a good word.
okay. So you put that in and I'll get the hot water.
Sounds good. Thank you, Noah.
Kids, you can do this at home, so get all of the stuff together as well, and we'll be right back.
Okay, kids, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our sodium tetraborate and we're going to pour it into the hot water. And pour all of it in. Yay! And now that it's poured in, we'll take our popsicle stick and we're going to stir, 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 stir. And we want all of the sodium tetraborate to dissolve. That means it's all disappears in the water. You can't tell there's powder anymore. Ooh. It's very pretty. And now put your shape in.
That's mine.
And now put my shape in. And you want your shape to be in the water, because everywhere the water's touching is where the crystals will form.
So Olivia, how long will we have to keep that in there right now?
Okay, so this is like a long time. So you have to let it sit overnight and check back on it tomorrow and then maybe the next day too.
And what happens when we keep it in longer?
The longer you leave it in, the more crystals form, and they'll form all around your little shape.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, kids, then why don't we put this aside and we'll speed up time very, very quickly.
Super, super fast.
And then we'll show you our results.
Yay, and then we'll have crystals.
Crystals! I can't wait.
Crystals!
And we've done science again.
Science. Science. Science.
Science monster.
That's a bit scary.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, so we'll put this aside in a safe place where it won't spill and
Yeah.
nobody can drink it or get to it.
Yeah, maybe ask your mom or dad where to keep it.
Exactly, and just make sure that everybody knows not to touch your experiment.
Yeah, experiments are only for scientists.
Exactly. So, we'll be back in a couple of days.
Yay, science!
Let's fast forward time.
Okay, let's fast forward. Ooh,
We're gonna go into our time-lapse machine.
Time-lapse machine.
Woo!
Woo.
Okay, ready?
Woo.
Go.
Go, go, time. Wow.
Very fast.
Very, very fast.
Olivia, do you
Yeah.
see the crystals on your heart shape?
Ooh, I do. They're sparkling a little bit, huh?
It's not a lot, but there are a couple of them on there.
Yeah, there are a couple there.
But this is a interesting experiment because I see a whole lot of crystals on the bottom of the cup.
Yeah. That's crazy, huh?
That is. Should I try to lift it up?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh! The whole bottom.
Whoa.
The whole bottom is a crystal.
How did that happen? Did we do something wrong?
You know what I think?
What?
I think we made one of our shapes touch the bottom. Yep. And so then what the crystals did is found the most stable place, and the most stable place was the bottom.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yeah. So maybe that's a good tip for the kids, huh?
So, kids, what you have to watch out for is make sure that your shape doesn't touch the ground.
Yeah.
We did a small mistake, but sometimes that's what science is. You make mistakes and you discover something completely new and different.
Yeah, that's how we learn, is by trying things, and then you make a mistake, but you try it still, and then you try it again some other time.
Wow.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
It's very cool. I like it.
I could look at this the whole day.
Yeah. Mesmerized.
Well, I
Well-
think that's it for today's show then.
Yeah.
We learned a lot about crystals today, didn't we?
Yeah, we learned so much about crystals.
So kids, thanks for watching Dream Again, and we'll see you next time
Yep,
on a
see
great
you next
science
time.
exploration project.
Science!
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 Bye kids!
Bye, kids, bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!